Welcome back to the Halftime Report. Microsoft shares have already risen 35% this year. They have done great. But bullish options traders are still betting on even more gains. Pete Najarian joining us from Minneapolis with more on the unusual activity in Microsoft. Pete, what are you seeing?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting, Brian, because, yes, as this stock has performed very well. And matter of fact, we've had unusual option activity in here for it just seems like since before 100 all the way up. And now today they're buying the September 142 call. So those are being bought very aggressively today. They bought 6,500 of them very early in the day. Stock was a little bit lower. It's trading around 137. Now it's about 50 cents higher. But they were paying 30 cents for those options. Now, those options obviously expire not too long from now. I like what we're seeing. I love what we're seeing there. It's a $5 move. Can it make that kind of a move shortly? I think it actually very well could. So if we see that move to the upside, I'm in these calls. I already own the stock, but I also added these calls. So I'm bullish right now when it comes to Microsoft. I got one more for you as well, Brian. Take a look at ASHR. Now, a lot of people aren't as familiar with this particular one, but this is an ETF from China, the China 300. It's the most liquid, biggest of the names out there, and it's very interesting. We've seen it many times in the past as well, but they're buying and they're very aggressively buying. And when I say that, they've bought over 28,500. They're rolling up, and they're rolling up from the 28.5s to the October 29 calls, and these expire on October 4th. So pretty aggressively bought once again. That's a huge number. They've already made some money. They want to make a little bit more. They still want to be in this trade. I like when I see that. I'm in this trade. Obviously, it's only a couple weeks long as well, but that's been the theme of this year, 2019. Very short term, but people are looking for those kind of moves. And obviously, with all the trade talks and around October, a lot of this makes a lot of sense right now. Those are already moving to the upside as well. Those are trading for about 30 cents.
ASHR, the new name out there. We're watching that. 303 holdings. Pretty big ETF there. Pete Najarian is bullish.
Very large.
Bullish. Yep. Double bullish on Microsoft. Pete, we love it. Thanks very much.